Hello, friends. You're like, what in the world?
Child, listen, I done had enough. Just keep getting these lemons sour all the time. I pucker my lips, yeah, I might get stepping on pills now. I don't slip, just keep getting these lemons. It should be a crime. What you gon' find is I don't quit. I'ma show out now. I'm the
Hello, friends. You're like, what in the world? Hello, friends. Welcome back to Coop. Coop is a place where we talk about travel, luxury, lifestyle, and everyday entertaining. You saw the title. I just want to get right down to it. Same clothes, because it's just minutes later since I did the last video. Go back and look at my last video. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Where I was talking about denim trends and how I'm going to participate in denim trends and so forth and so on. And as we're filming the videos, there's a knock at the door. It was the UPS man, and it was the bag. And I told you I would come right back. Big. Look at it next to my head. It's pretty big. I was gonna come right back and talk to you about the bag and unbox it. So I'll show you, a cutaway of me opening the box and so forth. And I took off all of the, well, not all. Here's a few other pieces of plastic. So let me just continue to unwrap and talk about this bag. This is the Marc Jacobs. Came fully stuffed. So we'll take that out. This is the Marc Jacobs Denim Patchwork bag, the tote bag. Okay. And I got it on Shopbop for merely $2.25, I believe. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, let me slow down. Let me slow down because I'm showing you the bag. So first of all, it's a beautiful patchwork tote bag. As I said, I didn't know if I was going to participate in the Marc Jacobs, the tote bags a couple of years ago when everybody was getting them. And I wanted to find one that was super unique, and I really feel like she is that. All right, so I'll continue showing you a few mod shots up in the cutaway. All right, so let's get into, it was fully stuffed as you saw. And so I'm really unwrapping it for the first time and finding out all of the things. Here's the piece of cardboard that was, there's two pieces, one in the front, one in the back, that help it keep its shape. So this is a true unboxing, and we're getting rid of all of those things. On the inside, it comes with the dust bag that has Marc Jacobs all over it. So that's the dust bag, pretty typical, very nice with, drawstring. So that when you travel with that, you have your dust bag. It also comes with a shoulder strap. So let's open that and see what's happening. Shoulder strap is not my cup of tea. It's good quality, but it reminds me of, what do you call it? It has leather, you know, on the ends, but it's reminding me kind of like luggage. It's silver hardware, but yeah, I'm not really a fan of the strap. I'll be carrying it like this. And it has D-rings. Let's see if I can show you those. Also in silver on the inside that you attach the strap to. So those are the D-rings that you see there that this attaches to, so that I need to cut all of these different plastic strings and things. One moment, please. Okay, I'm back, girl. Girl, I'm back. I'm gonna cut all these strings and things off of here because I'm definitely gonna keep it. And all of the hardware, I always appreciate this, is incredibly protected. I'm just cutting off a little bit more of the protective stuff that was around both D-rings. But if you were to wear it with the strap, it just attaches, which is always an easy thing. It's adjustable, by the way, as well. So no matter how tall you are, it's pretty long. You could wear it crossbody. So if that's, you know, when you're running through the airport, you might, you know, want the strap. I will probably never use the strap, but I wanted to show it to you for those that would be interested in the strap. So I'm just pulling that strap off of there. Now I will tell you one thing, some bags I use my straps on, some I don't. When I store or display my bags, you can always find the dust bag inside and also the strap inside. So I just typically roll up, it should roll the other way. I typically just roll up the straps and fold up the dust bags, and I put them inside of the bag that they belong to. Of course, you have your silica on the inside. Let's get rid of that. And then this was the tag that came on, the Marc Jacobs tag that came on the bag. I thought this was a card that opened and it had care instructions, but no. All right, so here's the bag. So let's talk about it. So it has leather tabs here at the bottom here, and I'm guessing here, yep. On this side, it has a strap, like a gusseted strap that kind of helps it keep that fold. It doesn't have it on this side, but it keeps that fold, that bend in the bag that you would want, so it doesn't flop. And then it has these straps that are fully denim, but it has leather grips, if you can see that. Let me just show you. They don't go all the way around. It's just here on the outside that it has these leather grips, right? Okay, and then, unlike many totes, this does zip up. I would have loved if they had put leather here as well. And I would have loved if the zipper was something a little more elevated, but I understand cost of manufacturing and things like that. I get it. But basically your bag can zip. It's kind of a plastic, not kind of, it is a plastic zipper. With the plastic tab. I feel like design-wise, this also should have been that brown leather, right? But anyway, you know, as with tote bags, this folds down into the bag and this goes like this. And so what that creates, which I like, is some privacy, you know, in your bag. So you can't see down into your bag. It's fully zipped, it fully closes. I think this is really cute. I'm really excited. You also have this leather patch on the back as well. I was wondering this as I was looking at it online. I was like, are these screen printed? What, or is it plastic? What is this made out of? This is actually embroidered into the bag. I love all of these different washes of denim in the patchwork. And Marc Jacobs is also embroidered here. And you have the contrast stitching that is white, that is throughout the bag. And that just kind of pulls it all together. You know, that stitching goes all the way down, all the way down. I like it in the white. It would have also been cute. You know how denim sometimes has that kind of yellow stitching, but I think the white really makes it pop, especially since the embroidery is also white. So the tote bag is embroidered, and then in a little bit of thicker embroidery. It's very almost flush to the bag itself, in a very thin, almost hash type style of embroidery. So it's very, very light. You can barely even feel it, but the Marc Jacobs, you can definitely feel it's in that heavier kind of embroidery. So you can see that there. Oh, and this, the tag on the back does have that kind of yellow, typical denim threaded stitching going around that leather tag there in the back. All right, so that's the bag. I'm gonna carry it like this as a tote. Really, really cute. Large, what can it fit? I don't think it would quite fit my laptop, but it certainly would fit. I just happen to have it here. I have a pretty wide laptop. I don't think it would fit my laptop. If you have a smaller laptop, it would definitely fit it. It definitely would fit my iPad. So that shows you that size. And there's plenty of room for a whole lot more. I could get, you know, a bunch of stuff in here. This would be great to travel with. This would be great to do anything, running errands. I'm looking forward to carrying this bag. I was gonna carry the pull-in today. Maybe I'll carry this. Super, super cute. I'm really glad that I finally got this bag, and I saw it last year and now here she is. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the bag, just put them down in the comments. Let's talk about it. If you have this bag, tell me how it's worn for you. And let's keep talking in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.